In the realm of construction, where every second and safety measure counts, the unsung hero is often the well-oiled machine. The gears that turn without a hitch are the ones that build our skylines. Let's delve into why equipment maintenance is not just a chore, but the backbone of construction efficiency and safety. Imagine a job site humming with the sound of machinery operating at its peak. This is the result of regular maintenance, a practice that keeps efficiency and productivity from being hampered by breakdowns and costly downtime. Early diagnosis of issues through maintenance isn't just a time saver, it's a resource saver. Consider the auger, a tool that, when neglected, can deteriorate rapidly. Regular maintenance is the antidote to this decay, significantly extending the lifespan of such equipment. This foresight is a financial boon, sparing construction companies from the frequent drain of replacing machinery. On a construction site, danger lurks where maintenance lapses. Well-maintained machinery is a bulwark against these risks, fostering a safer environment for operators and workers alike. It's not just about preventing accidents, it's about reducing potential liabilities that could weigh heavily on a company's conscience and coffers. Around the globe, construction companies are bound by stringent maintenance regulations. Adherence to these rules through regular inspections and upkeep is non-negotiable, ensuring that machinery like bulldozers and excavators meet the highest safety and functionality standards. Compliance is key to steering clear of severe fines and penalties. Beyond the immediate job site, regular equipment maintenance has a broader beneficiary: our environment. When machinery runs efficiently, it consumes less fuel, emits fewer pollutants, and leaves a lighter carbon footprint. This eco-friendly practice also translates into tangible cost savings for companies. A proactive maintenance approach is transformative. Scheduled inspections and worker training are its pillars. By anticipating and addressing potential problems, construction companies can sidestep disruptions and pave the way for a project's triumphant completion. In conclusion, the importance of equipment maintenance in construction is crystal clear. It's a multifaceted advantage that elevates productivity, safeguards workers, complies with laws, protects our planet, and saves money. It's not just maintenance, it's a cornerstone of construction excellence.